Today, what I'm going to show you is how to trim a video in CapCut. So it's actually very simple. So we have our short video right here. I'll show you, let's play it. So there's a couple riding into the sunset. And to trim a video, you either pick the end or the beginning and drag it, holding the mouse key to the left or to the right, depending on whether it's an end of the video or the beginning. So you can trim it this way. And okay, let's bring it back to normal first. And then I'll show you the other way. So, and another way is to just cut in some place and just delete the rest. So let's cut a bigger part like this one, and we just take these and we can easily delete them either using delete or mouse right click and using delete here. So that's it. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.